Hi guys, welcome to a Plan With Me video. It's been a while. 2021 was a crazy year and unfortunately I had little time to make a video for you every month. But I wanted to make a Plan With Me 2022 for you. But before we do, let's take a look at all my themes of 2021. My favorite theme was November and my least favorite was May. What was your favorite theme? Let me know in the comments. For 2022 I use a Leuchtturm again, but this time I don't have 80 grams paper, but 120 grams, which means thicker pages. I am really excited about this and can't wait to try it. I already did a watercolor test in the back and I was quite happy with the results. The paper is really similar to the 80 grams, just as smooth, only thicker. For 2022 I decided to make an abstract sunny theme with a blush pink and gold color palette. For the cover page I wrote the numbers of the year. You can find a nice font on the internet and trace it if you like, or just draw the numbers from scratch. I colored them black with my Tombow Dual brush pen. I will give the last two some color of the palette. Mix a soft blush pink color with a nude paint and a red one. If you think the color is too bright or you don't own a nude paint, you can also add some orange and white to soften up the pink. Fill in the entire tube and let the paint dry. Only start with the next layer once the paint isn't wet anymore. Add some darker pigment to your blush pink for the next layer. Repeat the process 2 more times. If you are impatient like me, you can use a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. Here comes my favorite part, metallic paints. I am using the gold paint from Colliro colors, Moon Gold, for some nice details. I am painting all the edges of the pink areas and I am adding a sun to the tube. To use the paint as opaque as possible, add a drop of water to the pen and really mix it up with your brush. And of course I had to make a Dutch door. This one is rather simple and I am using a cutting knife, a metal ruler and a cutting mat for this. At the other end of the Dutch door I am writing down a quote. Normally I come up with a really cheesy and inspirational one, like start fresh or new beginnings. But I'm kind of sick of new beginnings and starting fresh, so I wrote down a quote that has been a bit of a pun to me and my friends. It is what it is. Probably not even a correct English sentence. In the Netherlands we would say, het is wat het is. I am also using this page as my key, containing all the symbols I use while journaling. On the left I'm making an illustration with abstract shapes in soft pink colors. They should look like mountains. If you can, use the same technique as I did for the two. The illustration will look more neat with multiple layers. I skipped this part for this illustration and because of this the colors are less coherent. To fill in a large area with watercolor, it's best to work from left to right or top to bottom. This way the paint looks the most equal. You'll see that I forget this in the bottom areas and they will look a bit messy. Use the gold to add the sun and a lot of sun rays. I use a circle for events and I color them black when the event is done. I do the same for tasks. When a task is halfway, I use a slash or I fill in half of the box. When a task or event is cancelled, I use a dash. These are the symbols for migrating forward and back into my future log. And last but not least, the triangle is for important things. Moving on to the future log, we start with painting the top of the spread. I am using masking tape to create a nice clean line. Again, create a soft blush pink and paint the entire area from left to right. After this, start adding mountain-shaped figures, each time in a darker shade. With two fineliners I added details to the spread. I used the Micron fineliner 05 for the lines and the fineliner 02 for all the writing. I repeated the process for July till December, and here I wanted to do the cool trick of snapping my fingers and tada! The spread is ready. Unfortunately I used the wrong hand the second time, so the trick doesn't look cool at all. On to the very last page of this setup, my goal page. In the middle I created 4 circles, which I'll give the 4 pink colors I used for all the illustrations in this setup. With my Tombow Fudenosuke, I wrote down goals for the year. This is the one with the heart tip and I just love lettering with it. In each circle I paint a number of the year with metallic paint. With a fineliner 05 I divide the page into 8 boxes, each box for a group of goals. For example, personal goals, like moving out or getting a car. Or goals for Dutch dots, like creating more stuff for my Etsy store. What are your goals for 2022? Let me know in the comments. I made a tiny mistake, but I can fix it with a white gel pen. Tip from me: wait until the ink has completely dried, this way the white ink won't turn grey. And that's it, the plan with me has finished. I can't wait to hear what you think of it and what was your favorite part. If you want to recreate, please send me a picture, because I would love to see it. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more, follow me on Instagram at Dutch_dots. Hope to see you next time. Bye guys!